So what time do you want to come for ruling on Friday? Same time
as the other.
Okay. Do you want to come physically or virtually? Let's make it virtual because of the numbers.
We would appreciate that.
Then depending on the outcome.
Maybe whichever way it goes, we should be physical for purposes in case, just in case court rules in our favor, this person can take it. In case the event it doesn't, we still no.
I wonder whether a plea cannot be taken virtually.
It depends. It will depend on what happens thereafter. After the plea.
If they are admitted to bail now,
Yes.
it means that they're still bound by the court. A mention date can be set. If the plea must be physical, a mention date for the plea can be set during the one-two ruling.
We also give directions on the phone through the stated.
Mr. Odin wanted to.
In terms of those particular phones and wherever the post is available, yes, I'll cross-check with the investigating officer to see whether they have any evidential material. I undertake to ensure that my colleagues are informed before the end of business day. Yeah.
You are done? Okay. So ruling on the application relating to the charge sheet on 4th of October this year at 2 p.m. physically. With regard to the question of bail, the alleged offense falls within the category of those covered by Article 49, Sub-Article 2 of the Constitution, in respect of which an accused person should not be remanded in custody. There is no indication that the accused person has failed to turn up for trial in any other case, and the presumption of innocence under Article 50, Sub-Article 2A of the Constitution applies in all cases. Article 49, Sub-Article 1H of the Constitution provides for release on bail or bond on reasonable conditions, and therefore there is no provision, even under Section 123 of the Criminal Procedure Code, for stringent conditions sought by the prosecution. I am convinced that the nature of the charge is not one that can motivate the accused person to fail to turn up for plea taking. The accused person is therefore granted personal bond without surety of Kenya shillings 50,000 to appear before court on 4th of October this year at 2 p.m. Mr. Boy, we have to break for lunch before coming for your matter. So we come back we can have 40 minutes break, we come back at 2. Yeah.
I can never marry you.
All right, then don't marry me! Are you two fighting again? Well, it's because Adele over here is blaming me for what happened to Nikolai.
It's me, okay? It's me. It's me. I'm the one to blame for this. Okay, are you both happy now?
Where did you come from?
Hamlet. So this is where the magic happens. This is for you kids.
Taste the magic with our festive cakes from DPL Festive Bakery. Delight with every bite.
Shida yako ni wewe nisumbua na hujui ni mimi nakupenda hii dunia.
Such nonsense. Heri nikamatwe, nishikwe, niwekwe ndani kwa kosa ambalo sikufanya kuliko kuwa na wewe.
How many times must I tell you this? There shall be no wedding between you and Alicia. Na kila nikisema unanipuuza. Unioni mimi kama mamako?
Roho mbaya. Unajua tuna pesa na unatupa nguo.
Wewe, bado hamjali Alicia hivyo? Uliwachwa.
Alicia, will you marry me?
Where did you come from?
Hamlet. So this is where the magic happens. This is for you kids.
Taste the magic with our festive cakes from DPL Festive Bakery. Delight with every bite.
Welcome back. The show is Health Diary, and today we're focusing on breastfeeding, the ins and outs and hows. And I'm smiling because look at the way I'm holding. This is supposed to be breast, but I'm holding. Listen, we're talking about breastfeeding, the ins and outs, all right? And before we went on a break, Naomi, who is a lactation specialist right here at Aga Khan University Hospital, of course, took us through, first of all, how do you place the baby, okay? And how do you know that the baby has attached well to your breast, okay? So now, Naomi, before that, still on the attachments, and there was this question that how you hold the baby during breastfeeding month 1 is not the same way you'd hold the baby at month 6, right? So how does that change over time?
Babies grow every day, and within the first 1 month is when moms need to know how to hold the right way, and baby is able to get the milk.
Yeah.
But after that, baby is becoming bigger and bigger, and they position themselves the way they want.
Okay.
Sometimes you can find the baby who was nursing, tummy to tummy, the tummy is facing up, and
the leg is
up, is just pulling the toes, and still at the same time is suckling.
Yes.
So they keep on changing as they grow, and that one is not about the mother. It's about the baby.
Just the baby, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
Because you can now change the positions, even sideline position. Some are big. By 2 years, they'll be standing, and they can stand and suckle.
Yeah.
So
okay.
They keep on changing the position.
I mean, yeah, I saw my younger brother do that when we were growing up. He'll kill me for embarrassing him, but yes, he would. Before we talk about how then you know when the baby has, has had enough, right? Or the supply is enough for the baby. I want to imagine at night, and especially for breastfeeding moms, because I know you demonstrated this while seated, right? But sometimes, the middle of the night, the mom does not really feel like waking up and sitting to breastfeed the baby. Or some can't because, they went through a cesarean section. So then how does that look like, breastfeeding when, when you're lying down?
Or lying down position, because it's one of the also positions for breastfeeding babies. We really don't encourage the first days. You'll find even the pediatrician discouraging that, even when mom has a cesarean section, because the mom is tired, is under heavy sedation. So sometimes it may not work well. Say she can even lie on her baby, and she will forget about the baby. Because after breastfeeding, we need to bath the baby. And a lot of gas actually makes baby uncomfortable, or they might have the reflux if you keep the baby just straight on the couch without babbing.
Okay.
So that one comes later. Or a mother can nurse in that sideline position when there is someone else who can help her. After she's through, she picks the
Holds
baby,
the baby
and
to
burp.
burp.
Yeah,
Okay,
to
I
burp
see that.
the baby.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So then how do you know that the baby
with how do we know whether the baby is
Yes.
nursing well? When we put on the baby on the breast, and I said